Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily scan to Evernote on your Canon TS8351a. So what you guys want to do first is basically go over to the Canon Cloud Printing Center. It's a site where you can connect a lot of drives to your printer. So in my case, I have the Evernote, and now if you want to scan something to it, then click on the Evernote, and after that click scan. Here, as you guys can see, we will be able to change the location of our scan. As you guys can see, we can select it in the first notebook. Let's click next. Here, create a new note name. Click done, click OK, and now it will be as an auto scan and a portrait, but here we can change it to photo, document, or doc with multi-pages. Also the portrait, like the landscape, and that's basically our orientation. Now after we set everything up, then simply we need to click on scan, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.